Hello students, today we are starting a new topic from first part of the NCERT book. His name is Application of Derivative. The 4 and 5 topics are included in the application of derivative. So we start with the application of derivative. Application of derivatives. Inside the application of derivative, we studied about the use of application in various type of problems. So first topic inside the application of derivative, I am taking tangent and normal. Tangent and normal. Now we are starting tangent and normal. Here a curve is given y equal to fx. So let y equal to fx be a given curve. Then dy over dx, that means first derivative of y with respect to x, represent the slope of tangent at any point. Here that this is the tangent, pt is the tangent at the point P of the curve whose coordinates are x1, y1, and this tangent make angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Then slope of the tangent at any point, if theta be the angle made by the line made by the tangent with positive direction of x-axis, then slope of tangent is equal to dy over dx x1 y1 or is equal to tan theta. So this is the concept of tangent. Okay, here the tangent make an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. If now some points are there, if tangent at any point of the curve parallel to x-axis, then dy over dx equal to 0. Because if the tangent is parallel to x-axis, in this case theta becomes 0 or pi, then therefore the value of tan 0 and tan pi is 0. So now dy over dx equal to 0. So when the tangent of the curve is parallel to x-axis, dy over dx become 0. Next, if tangent parallel to y-axis, then theta equal to 90 degree. So dy over dx equal to tan 90, that means infinite. Third condition, if tangent parallel to the given line, whose slope is m. In any case, if the tangent of the curve is parallel to the line whose slope is m, then dy over dx is equal to m. So these are some conditions in which tangent may be tangent parallel to x-axis. In this case, dy over dx become equal to 0. If tangent to the curve is parallel to y-axis, then dy over dx become infinite. If tangent parallel to the given line whose slope is m, then dy over dx equal to m, because when the lines are parallel whose slopes are become equal. Now normal. Let y equal to fx be a given curve. PT is the tangent at the point P. Then the line which is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the point P is known as the normal to the tangent. And sorry, again, if y equal to fx, we are given curve. PT is the tangent at the point of the curve, then a line which is perpendicular to the tangent passing through the point of contact of the curve and tangent is called the normal. There are various lines which are there. Where are there? This is perpendicular to the tangent, but these not the normal. Only a line which is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the point of contact is called the normal. So here PN is called PL is called normal, and slope of normal is given by -1 upon dy over dx, because normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. So the line which is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the point of contact is known as the normal to the plane. Now I am taking problem based on tangent and normal. Find the slopes of tangent and the normal to the curve x square plus 3y plus y square equal to 5 at the point 1, 1. So first we find the derivative of y with respect to x from the given curve. Given curve is x square plus 3y plus y square equal to 5. This is the equation of the implicit function. Now differentiate with respect to x. This become dy over dx of x square, dy over dx of 3y, dy over dx of y square equal to dy over dx of 5. So next step now become 2x plus 3 into dy over dx plus 2y into dy over dx equal to 0. Now take dy over dx is common. 3 plus 2y equal to minus 2x. So now we have dy over dx equal to minus 2x upon 3 plus 2y. This is the value of dy over dx. Now slope, first point, slope of tangent is equal to dy over dx at the point 1, 1. So this is minus 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 2, that means minus 2 upon 5. Then slope of tangent is minus 2 upon 5. So slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx, that means 5 upon 2. So in this question we want to find the slope of tangent and normal to the given curve at the point 1, 1. So slope of tangent is given by minus 2 upon 5 and slope of normal is given by 5 upon 2. The tangents to the curve Now I am taking one more important question. This is the CBSE board exam question. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 2x to the power 3 minus 3 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So in this question we will prove that the tangents of the given curve at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. That means the slope of the tangents are equal at both the points. Now first we find differential of y with respect to x. So y equal to 2x cube minus 3. This is a given curve. dy over dx equal to 3 to the 6x square. This is dy over dx. Now slope of tangent at x equal to 2 is equal to dy over dx x equal to 2, that means 6 into 2 into 2, 24. Similarly, now slope of tangent and slope of tangent at x equal to 2. Here dy over dx at the point x equal to minus 2 is given by 6 into minus 2 into minus 2, again 24. So this is the tangent, slope of the tangent at the point x equal to 2, which is 24. Similarly, slope of the tangent at x equal to minus 2, this is the same as above. Now this shows that both the slopes are equal. So tangents are parallel. One more important question, which is also the CBSE board examination question. Show that the tangents to the curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 at the points 2, 0 and 3, 0 are at right angles. Okay. We know that well. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes of these lines always equal to minus 1. So this is the concept for solving this type of questions. Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. This is equation number first given for the equation of curve. Now dy over dx equal to 2x minus 5. This is the first derivative of y with respect to x. Now slope of tangent at 2, 0 is given by 2 into 2 minus 5 equal to minus 1, renamed as m1 because slope always denoted by the m, and slope of tangent at 3, 0 is given by 2 into 3 minus 5, that means 1, rename as m2. Slope of tangents at the second point 3, 0. Here m1 into m2 or dy dx at 2, 0 into dy dx at 3, 0 is equal to 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. So tangents are perpendicular. Now I am taking one more problem based on tangent and normal. If the slope of the curve 2y square equal to ax square plus b at point 1, minus 1 is minus 1, then find the value of a and b. So how can we solve this type of questions? Equation of curve is given 2y square equal to ax square plus b. Let equation first. Now differentiate with respect to x. 4y dy over dx equal to a into 2x plus 0. So dy over dx equal to 2ax upon 4y. That means ax upon 2y. This is the differential of y with respect to x. Now dy over dx at the point 1 comma minus 1 will be equal to a into 1 upon 2 into minus 1. That means a upon minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is given. Slope of the tangent at 1 comma minus 1 is a upon minus 2, but this is given minus 1 here. So now we have a equal to 2. This is the equation of curve. Okay, since point 1 comma minus 1 lies on the given curve. So 2 into minus 1 square, 2 into minus 1 square equal to a 1 square plus b. In next step, this become 2 equal to the value of a is again 2 plus b. So now we have b equal to 0. So finally a equal to 2 and b equal to 0. Now I am taking one more question from NCERT Exemplar. At what points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 the tangents are parallel to the y-axis? So in this question we want to find the points where the tangents are parallel to the y-axis. Equation of given curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. First we want to find here the derivative of y with respect to x. So now differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 2y dy over dx minus 2 minus 4 dy over dx plus 0 equal to 0. Now take common dy over dx from left hand side. So we have 2y minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 2x. So now dy over dx is equal to 2 is common 1 minus x upon 2 is common y minus 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. We have 1 minus x upon y minus 2. So slope of tangent here dy over dx is equal to 1 minus x y minus 2. In this question we don't have the points. We want to find, our requirement is the point where the tangent are parallel to the y-axis. Since tangents are parallel to y-axis, so we know that well dy over dx is equal to infinite. That means 1 upon 0. So what is the value of dy dx? 1 minus x upon y minus 2 is equal to infinite, means 1 upon 0, minus x upon y minus 2 equal to infinite, that means 1 upon 0. Take cross multiply, so 0 equal to y minus 2, that means y equal to 2. Put in equation first, equation of curve. So this become x square plus 4 minus 2x minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. Arrange these terms. Now we have x square minus 2x minus 8 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. That means x square minus 3x. Split the middle term now for factorization. So now x minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have x minus 3 x plus 1 equal to 0. There are two values of x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1. Then points are we have y equal to 2 only. So points are 3, 2 and minus 1, 2. These are the points where the tangent to the this given curve is parallel to the y axis. निकालिए